This is a breath technique to activate your body and uplift your mood. We will breathe in twice and exhale once. You can choose to breathe in through the nose or the mouth. Find a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Bring one hand to the belly and the other to the chest. Are you ready? Let's begin. Starting slow. In, up, out. In, up, out. In, up, out. In, up, out. Let's take it quicker. In, up, out. In, up, out. Belly, chest, release. Belly, chest, release. Find the rhythm. As you continue to breathe, imagine a warm, golden light surrounding you, filling you with vitality and energy. Keep going. In, up, out. You're doing great. With each breath, feel your energy increasing. Coming up is a breath hold. Four, three, two, one. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Close your mouth at the end of your exhale. Stay here without breathing in. 20 seconds. Allow yourself to connect deeply with the power of your breath, knowing that it is a source of endless energy and renewal. Notice what you feel. See what you can soften. Inhale in slowly. Hold your breath and exhale through the mouth. Let's take it quicker. In, up, out. In, up, out. Belly, chest, release. Belly, chest, release. Find the rhythm. Feeling the energy coursing through your body with each breath. You're doing great. Five more rounds. Four, three, two, one. Now winding down to a normal, natural breath. Notice how you feel. Notice how your state has shifted. Release. See you next time.